Have you ever bought a pair of shoes that looked absolutely amazing, only to find yourself counting the minutes until you could take them off? If you've ever experienced sore feet, aching heels, or pure discomfort after a long day, then this video is for you. Stay with me until the very end because I'm sharing what really makes daily ladies' footwear comfortable in 2026, and you might be surprised by what matters most before making your next purchase. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Footwear Diaries. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. On this channel, we explore everything you need to know about footwear to help you make smarter choices while staying stylish and comfortable. If that sounds like something you'd enjoy, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community. One thing that's becoming very clear in 2026 is that comfort is no longer something people are willing to compromise on. Women today have busy schedules and their footwear has to keep up. Whether you're commuting, running errands, attending meetings, shopping, or simply enjoying a day out, your feet deserve to feel supported from morning until evening. What's interesting is that comfort isn't just about having a soft feel anymore. Modern footwear is being designed with smarter materials and improved construction that help reduce pressure on your feet, improve airflow, and make walking feel much more natural. It's amazing how much difference these small improvements can make throughout an entire day. Another noticeable change is the way people shop. Instead of choosing footwear based only on appearance, more women are asking practical questions. Will this stay comfortable after hours of walking? Will it still feel good at the end of the day? Is it made to last? These are the questions that lead to better choices and fewer regrets after making a purchase. One mistake many people still make is believing they have to suffer through days of discomfort while waiting for new footwear to break in. In reality, truly comfortable footwear should feel good almost immediately. While there may be a short adjustment period, constant pain is never something you should simply accept. Lightweight construction has also become one of the biggest priorities in 2026. Nobody wants to feel like they're carrying extra weight with every step they take. Lighter footwear allows you to move more freely and can make a surprisingly big difference, especially during long, active days. Flexibility is just as important. Your feet naturally bend and move as you walk, so your footwear should move with you instead of restricting every step. When your footwear works with your body's natural movement, you'll notice the difference in both comfort and energy levels. At the end of the day, comfortable daily footwear is about more than fashion. It's about taking care of yourself, staying confident, and making every step a little easier. When your feet feel good, you're free to focus on everything else your day has to offer. I'd love to hear from you now. What's the first thing you look for when choosing comfortable daily footwear? Share your thoughts in the comments below because I'd really enjoy reading them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Footwear Diaries, and share this video with someone who loves comfortable footwear as much as you do. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.